ladies and gentlemen, JPGRA here, and just to let you know, I just want to say, guys, thank you guys so much for supporting and subscribing my channel. I reached 700 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. And I'm so happy and so blessed that y'all are supporting me. And guys, I just want to say thank you so much who's subscribed my channel, reached 700 subscribers, and thank you. So right now, hope just want to let you know, Happy New Year. Hope y'all have a great New Year and everything. It is 2026. So now it's time for me to unbox this. This is the Breakers collection. This is the deluxe. This is the deluxe edition, special deluxe edition on the Nintendo Switch, and I can't wait to unbox it. A special unboxing. This is pretty cool. And in the back, right over here. Alright, let's time to start to unbox it. So let's just start it. Alright, let's pull it down on the side. Yeah, there's a thing that's just put in there. And there you see in the back. So let's open it, shall we? Oh my goodness. And there you see they have cool stuff. There you see this have a headband, Breakers Collections headband right here. So cool. It's like when you wearing it on your head. It's like karate, martial arts. And this is the 2 wristbands of Breakers Collection wristband. Pretty cool. And there, this is a little stand. Let me open this. Open this real quick. A little stand on here. Ooh, this is pretty cool. There you see right here. There's a lady. I forgot her name. I will show you the name of her in a little bit. And then you see the Breakers Collection logo right here. And there you see the guy right there. This is like a stand, like a special stand. And inside, Breakers Collection soundtrack. This is a CD music soundtrack. It have like intro and stages. In the back it have stages, intros, openings, game overs, and all. Pretty awesome. And this is a sticker. Pretty cool sticker right here. And these are the cards. That's was it Hung Bao from China, Calder Heads from USA. He's like a Native American Indian. The Sheik from India or Iran or something. Brazil, Gela Estrella. Japan, Sugo Tabaku, I don't know. This is for Thailand. Her name is Tia Lundra. Yeah, she's 18 years old from Thailand. Sugar Khan, back 20 years old. He's from Japan. Rabu, I don't know. PD from France, from Italy, probably from Italy, from Korea. Dilong, age 23. Yeah, he's like 32. Long. And this one, oh, I thought he's from Egypt. Why is this from India? Yeah, he's like 1,000. Yep. Yeah, that's his cards. And there you see, this is a cool movement thing. So you can move. So you see KO, defeat, and all. Pretty awesome. Do you know this? Do you know this was like is called Crystal Legacy? This is like a Japanese one. There's a little poster right there, a little poster, and there you see the back, the little manual on the back. That's pretty awesome, right here. And I have this is a big poster, the big poster of the Breakers collection. Big poster right here, pretty awesome. Yeah, the Breakers collection wallpaper, pretty cool. The wallpaper, and last but not least, the game. Ooh, I can't wait to play it. So excited. Pretty cool. Okay, so you see overhead. So the same. See, pretty cool. Go inside, and you see the game, and this is the little book manual. Combo moves and all, pretty cool. Yep. Well, guys, I guess that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this pretty cool unboxing of the Breakers collection. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and guys, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share and everything. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This is JBGRA saying Nerds Awesome. Peace and bye bye.